Hi students, 12th standard accountancy, chapter 2, illustration-17. From the following receipts and payment account of Friends Football Club for the year ended 31st March 2017, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2017 and the balance sheet as on the date. So what they asked from the given information from the given receipt and payment information, we are going to prepare the income and expenditure account and the balance sheet on the given date. Okay, so what they given on the receipt side: to balance brought on cash and bank, to subscriptions, legacies, collection for special dinner lesson. Now we are going to prepare the final accounts. That means according to the final accounts, according to this chapter, income and expenditure account and balance sheet, we called it as the final account. Okay, so income and expenditure account, the cash and bank transaction will not appear on the income and the expenditure account. Okay, then subscription is the income item, then legacies is a capital item. Legacies means, what is meant by legacy? A gift made to a not-for-profit organization by a will. So it means gift. Okay, it is called legacy. It's a capital receipt. It will not appear on the income and expenditure account. Okay, so legacy is a kind of gift. It is called as capital receipt. It will not appear on the income and expenditure account. It's appear on liability side. Okay, legacy is a goes to liability side. Okay, collection for special dinner, it will be income item. It will be appear on income side. Furnitures is a asset item. Sports material purchased is a expenditures. Purchases means expenditure. Special dinner expenses is an expenditure. Electricity charges goes to expenditure side. Okay, expenditure. Then balance sheet, closing balance of cash in hand, cash at bank will not appear on the income and the expenditure item side. Okay, then they have given additional information. The club had furniture of rupees 12,000 on 1st April 2016. This is the opening balance of the 1st April 2016 means opening balance of the furniture account. It will be appear on asset side of the balance sheet. Subscription outstanding for 2016 to 17, 600 rupees. So now we are going to prepare the final accounts for the year 2017. Okay, so this is the current year. So we have the outstanding subscription for 2017 means current year's outstanding subscription will be added with the subscription on income side, 600 rupees. Then stock of sports material as on 31/3/2017, 100 rupees. 31/3 means this is the closing stock of the sports material. Okay, so closing stock will appear on asset side of the balance sheet. Okay, then capital fund as on 1st April 2016 was 23,000. Capital fund 1st April means this is the opening balance of the capital fund. It will be appear on liability side. Okay, so now we are going to prepare the income final accounts. The heading is, first we are started with the income and expenditure account. Let's write the heading, that is, in the books of Friends Football Club income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2017. Let's write the format of the income and the expenditure account. Okay, so what kind of item we are dealing here? Friends Football Club. Okay, so Friends Football Club means sports material. Okay, so on expenditure side we have to start at the heading with two sports material consumed. Okay, so they didn't given the opening stock, so then we have to write the purchases, all the expenditure item you have to enter it on the expenditure side. So as per that, purchases 800 rupees, we have to add list, we have to subtract the closing stock from the purchases. Listen, what's the format on expenditure side? We have to add the opening stock with the purchases and the subtracted closing stock, right? So as per the format they have didn't given the opening stock. So they given the purchases, we enter here. We have to subtract the closing stock from the purchases. We will get 700 rupees. And special dinner expenses we have to enter it on expenses side. And the electricity charges 900 rupees entered on. And the income side you have to write the all the incomes related to football club. Okay. So by subscription 5000 rupees, we have to add the current year outstanding subscription 600 rupees. Okay. After added you will get 5600. And collection for the special dinner, it's a income. Okay, 2000 rupees. Then you will get the total on credit side 7600 rupees. You have to enter the total on both income and the expenditure side. Then you have to add the amount 700 plus 1500 plus 900. Then you have to subtract from 7600. You will get the differences, that is 4500 rupees. Okay, so this 4500 rupees is called as excess of income. You have to write within, that means surplus 4000. If you get the total on credit side, you will get the surplus amount on debit side. Within the bracket you have to write excess of income over expenditure. Okay, then that income, that surplus amount you have to add it with the capital fund. Okay, on liability side of the balance sheet. Now we are going to prepare the balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Format also prepared. Then you have to first enter on liability side capital. The first item you have to enter it on liability side is capital. Capital fund as on 1st April 2016 is 23,000. This is the opening balance of the capital fund. So you have to write capital fund 23,000. You have to add the surplus amount what you get from the expenditure side 4500. After added you will get 27,500. And the legacy is a capital receipt. You have to enter it on liability side 6,000 rupees. Then on asset side, the opening balance of the furniture 1st April 2016, furniture opening balance is 12,000 rupees. So you have to write opening balance of the furniture 12,000 rupees. And you have to add the additional furniture 7,000 rupees with the opening balance of the furniture account. So we have added the additional asset 7,000 rupees here. Okay, 7,000 plus 12,000, 19,000 rupees entered into outer amount column. And the stock of sports material means is closing stock. They have given here stock of sports material 31/3/2017 100 rupees means closing stock of the sports material will be appear on asset side of the balance sheet. Okay, stock of sports material 100 rupees written. And subscription outstanding for 2017, subscription outstanding always appear on asset side 600 rupees entered. And cash in bank, cash at bank will be closing. We have to take closing balance of the cash in hand, cash at bank into the asset side of the balance sheet. Okay, you will not take the opening balance. You should take closing balance of the cash in hand and the cash at bank to the asset side of the balance sheet. Then we entered closing balance of the cash in hand, cash at bank 12,000 rupees and 1,800. And you will get the equal amount on assets and liability side. Okay, here we have get equal amount 33,500 on both asset and liability side. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care.